Taking 3 grams every day before going to bed is proven to make you sleep better, and it can also help lowering creatinine levels. Katherine from Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Poor sleep is the most underrated danger for our kidneys, according to science. 1 in 3 of us suffers from poor sleep, with stress, computers, and taking work home often blamed. And the result of all those sleepless nights is more than just bad moods and a lack of focus. Did you know that sleeping less than 6 hours per night is proven to have profound consequences on your physical health? Obesity, coronary heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and a shortened life expectancy are all linked to poor sleep. And researchers think that lack of sleep can directly affect the physiology of the kidney, causing serious damage. The kidney actually seems to be the organ most impacted. Guys, I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for 8 years now, and I know how troublesome it can be for people to find ways to sleep better. But I've personally met patients who were able to improve their kidney function over the years to lower their creatinine, and among other things, they found ways to sleep better. It's all part of the journey. To help getting there, what I have for you today are 4 natural remedies that will not just help you sleep better, they will also help undo some of the damage done by years of extra oxidative stress. Our number 4 in particular has 2 ways to help you lower your creatinine levels. It makes you sleep better, and it's also what they call a super antioxidant. Let's see it. Number 4. Melatonin. Melatonin is a natural hormone the body uses to regulate the sleep-wake cycle, among other things. As a supplement, melatonin has become a very popular and inexpensive sleeping aid, particularly powerful in instances where the circadian rhythm is disrupted. It really works! When I can't sleep, melatonin and a nice chamomile tea are my go-to remedy. And according to studies, the production of melatonin is decreased with the progression of CKD. So, someone with kidney problems may experience even better benefits from this natural remedy. Great to improve sleep length and quality with many benefits for the kidneys. Plus, it's a powerful antioxidant with free radical scavenger, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant effects. In fact, studies show that melatonin may improve eye health, reduce symptoms of seasonal depression, and even provide relief from acid reflux. But there is another thing I want to show you about melatonin. A study shown that melatonin administration attenuated oxidative stress, inflammation, and restored renal function and structure. According to the researchers, melatonin has a powerful kidney protective effect. What this aims to prove is that melatonin may be really effective in protecting the kidneys and not just for the sleep aid it provides. This is good news because melatonin is easily accessible, and the doses used in the study were 3 to 5 milligrams, which is similar to what you may want to use for better sleep. And if you think this one is powerful, wait to see our number 1 for today. Our number 1 won't just help you sleep, it can actually undo years of kidney damage. Melatonin can be taken in doses of 0.5 to 10 milligrams per day, and my advice here is to start with a lower dose and increase as needed. Take it 30 minutes before bedtime for maximum effectiveness. Time for our number 3. This one helps the kidneys and the mind. Number 3. L-Theanine. Theanine is a natural substance present in tea which can be used to improve mental function. It promotes relaxation and focus without increasing drowsiness. It's awesome, by the way! If you have tried my matcha tea recipe, you know what I'm talking about. It's a nice feeling, isn't it? And while many people use it as a cognitive enhancer, a supplement to boost intelligence and maybe study better or perform better at work, theanine is also a powerful sleep aid. I sometimes take it before sleep and it has a curious effect. It lets you sleep without dreaming. Great for people suffering from nightmares. And also, lab studies show that theanine could help lowering high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Actually, people who drink green tea, which is high in theanine, have a lower risk for stroke, according to science. But I prefer to get most of my theanine from matcha tea actually. However, matcha tea also contains caffeine, so it's not great at bedtime. The alternative may be theanine as a supplement because treating sleep as a priority rather than a luxury is an important step in protecting not just your kidneys but also to avoid increased risk for several conditions. So before I'll show you our number 2, an essential mineral that fights hypertension, sleep problems, and also repairs the kidneys by lowering uric acid levels, here are some tips proven to help sleep better. Take stimulants only in the morning. It's better to limit or completely avoid tea, coffee, and even vitamins of the B group during the evening. And also, keep all your electronics in a separate room. Phones and computers are proven to damage sleep quality. Stop using electronics 2 hours before bedtime and always use the night light on your phone in the evening. Now, very important. Develop a nightly routine that allows your body to relax and prepare for quality sleep. Set your bedtime and reserve 1 hour or so to do your favorite relaxing activities such as listening to calming music, meditation, and reading. Try these! Sometimes my nightly routine is my favorite part of the day. And also, exercise regularly, but Okay, when I talk about exercising, I always say that it's the best thing there is. Exercising is the most effective way to lower cholesterol, for example, and can decrease blood pressure. It obviously helps a lot with sleeping too. It makes you tired. It directly makes you sleep more and better. But always do it in the morning if you have trouble sleeping, and in any case, no later than 3 hours before you go to bed. Try to use natural alternatives to prescription sleeping pills. I know that some people cannot sleep at all without some prescription sleep aid, but all prescriptions come with several side effects. If you can, try to use the natural remedies I'm showing you today as a safer alternative. In particular, our number 2 is not just safe, it's actually essential. Number 2, magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that's crucial to the body's function. Just like for essential vitamins, you cannot live without enough of it. It helps keep blood pressure normal, bones strong, and the heart rhythm steady. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is very common among people with kidney problems, especially those taking diuretics and in diabetics. And it may cause poor sleep, high blood pressure, inflammation, and high uric acid levels. How to tell if you have a magnesium deficiency? Usually, the first symptoms of magnesium deficiency include hypertension, fatigue, muscle spasms and cramps, and even irregular heartbeat. And while not everyone reacts to a magnesium deficiency in the same way, I can tell you how I notice when my levels are low. I feel really jittery and nervous, just like when you take too much coffee but without the extra energy. This is why I recommend to supplement magnesium before going to sleep. Supplementing magnesium is linked to lower blood pressure, lower uric acid levels, and better sleep. Magnesium supplements are very cheap. We're talking about $6 for a 6-month supply and extremely easy to find. In a study on hypertension in kidney disease, researchers found out that taking 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium supplements daily was the best dosage. Now, my advice if you want to supplement magnesium is to first get checked for serum levels before starting and let your doctor fine-tune this dosage for you. Our number 1 is a natural remedy that has been used for years to get better sleep. Today, scientists are studying it because it's thought to be able to restore kidney function. Let's see it. Number 1 is glycine. Glycine is an amino acid used by the body for making important substances such as hormones and enzymes. Amino acids are basically the building block of life. This one is special because when taken as a supplement, can help you sleep. Research has shown that taking 3 grams of glycine before bed decreases how long it takes to fall asleep, enhances sleep quality, lessens daily sleepiness, and it really works. Glycine is our number 1 because several studies are showing that it can actually repair the kidneys and lower creatinine levels, even in the low dosages people take to help sleeping. In particular, in one study, glycine combined with some other amino acids was able to completely reverse the progression of kidney disease for the whole duration of the study, 12 months in all the participants. Amazing! And while scientists are still studying this one to confirm these incredible results, many people are already benefiting from the creatinine lowering benefits of glycine by taking it in low dosages, 3 grams to 10 grams daily. Yes, using this amino acid to sleep better while it repairs the kidneys is a powerful health hack. Speaking of which, there are 4 health hacks proven to improve kidney function in just 4 weeks. Do you want to know more? Watch this video up here. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.